Hello and welcome. Today we'll understand a very interesting topic of sociology, that is social stratification. First, let us understand what is the meaning of social stratification. In every society, the individuals are different from each other. We know that I am different from you and you are different from me. And this is same in our family. When four people are living together, no two people are same. Humans are unequal and different and are identified on the basis of various features. There is a social inequality in the society due to which some people are on the top side of the hierarchy and some are at the bottom. So, what are these various features on which we differ from each other? It could be our biological features like age, height, color of our skin, physical features, or it could be social features like our political power, our economy, our rank, prestige, power, etc. So, this term stratification has been borrowed from geology, and here the meaning is the process of placing people in different layers is called stratification. According to Landberg, a stratified society is one marked by inequality, by differences among people that are evaluated by them as being lower or higher. So, therefore, I just said some people are at the top of the hierarchy and some are at the bottom. So, this is the quality of being lower or higher, and this is the mark of a stratified society. Features of social stratification. So there are four features. First, social inequality is a universal feature. That means it is found in every society, it is present in every society. Second, this is a closed status group. That means the nature of status is ascribed and it is acquired at the time of birth. For example, a cobbler's son is expected to become a cobbler, that is his ascribed status. If he studies and earns a good degree and gets a good job, then he would be performed on his achievement criteria. But when we talk about social stratification, only the ascribed status, that is the one acquired at the time of birth, only that is taken into consideration. The stratification, which is vertical in nature, it is based on ranks, and these ranks are identified in the terms of power, prestige, identity, wealth, etc. The stratification affects opportunities and quality of life of the individual. That means if the cobbler's son is denied opportunities, is denied admission in a good school, denied jobs at good companies, that means social stratification is creating a hurdle to get opportunities and a better quality of life for the individual. Now, like I told a few minutes ago, that stratification can be biological or social, let us understand this a little more. When we talk about biological differences, it can be on the basis of age, gender, race, ethnic groups, costumes, etc. What do you mean by costumes? How can we differ from each other in the terms of costume? Very easy. We can differ by take it as an example. If we see a man wearing a uniform of a pilot or uniform of a defense person, we look at that person in a different way from what we look at other civilians, right? So the difference comes when the costume is different from normal regular civilian costumes. And the social differentiation is on the basis of position and rank. Louis Dumont, in his book Homo Hierarchius, studied the Indian society and the Hindu caste system and labeled it as hierarchical, which means that people were placed on a vertical stratification system according to their occupations and the money that they earned, right? So the hierarchical system of Hindu caste system was according to their profession. The Brahmins were at the top and the Shudras were at the bottom, and they were given jobs according to their status in the society. There is a quote by P.A. Sorokin which goes like this: Unstratified society with real equality of its members is a myth that has never been realized in the history of mankind. So, what Sorokin says that a society which is equal and there is equality among all the members, it is a myth and it cannot be realized in the future also, and it has not been realized in the history of mankind also. Some kind of stratification, some kind of inequality was always present and will always be present. Some sociologists believe in distributive justice, and they say that the resources of society belong to all the members of the society and not to the powerful or the prestiged people. And when these resources will be enjoyed by all the members of the society, only then the society will be known as an equal society. So, the aspects of an equal society would be the concept of equality of opportunity. That means no matter where the individual was born, what caste, what kind of family he is born into, he'll be provided with equal opportunities. Accessibility to material resources. All the resources would be equally accessible to all the members of the society. Absence of privileges and titles. When there would be equal rewards for equal work, then the society would be an equal society. But as Sorokin said, this is a myth and it cannot be true. So, if social stratification has been present since for ages and it is still present in the society, it should have some function. So, let us understand what is the importance and what are the functions of social stratification. First, it encourages hard work because more rewards are given to the people who work more, and therefore they achieve the prestige and respect and power by working hard and getting a good job. It ensures circulation of elites. That means the best person is chosen for the best job, and it ensures that the cycle goes on. There's a competition for high degree of prestige, comfort, and reward. It serves as economic function. That means rational use of available talent. Whatever talent is available with the society, the best use of that talent is done by the society. And to serve this economic function, it also prevents the waste of resources. That means when the training is given to well qualified people, it ensures that the resources are used wisely and not wasted. It reinforces skills and attitudes to the upper class position where they can maintain the same attitude. That means the kind of attitude which is required for high level jobs, that is already present in the upper class people, and this skill and this kind of attitude, it is asked from the other people who want to change their social status. It helps to pursue different jobs. The selection of jobs is done on the basis of their attitude, upbringing, and talent to ensure that the best person is chosen for the best job. This also helps in maintaining social control. That is, there is a little antagonism between different classes, and this helps in the functioning of the society. But there are also some downsides of social stratification. That is, it gives more power to elites. Of course, it does, because the powerful who are already rich and powerful, they become more powerful. It is status quo in nature. That means it is not changing. It has a degree of permanence of structure. That means it was already there in the society and it is still there and it will be there in the future also. It affects the life chances, opportunities, and lifestyle of the less privileged people. Okay, so now we'll do some MCQs. Question number one is, the word stratification derives from the geological concept strata, meaning, so strata means layers of rocks that are placed in a pattern or in a certain order. Second question is, social stratification is based entirely on classification of groups into hierarchical layers. Thank you for listening to this audio. Have a great day.